Friends, we have discussed about cell, that who discovered cells and how, and also we have discussed why is the cell called structural and functional unit of life. And now a question must arise in your mind, that what is a cell made up of? What is a cell made up of? Then what is the structural organization of a cell? So for the structural organization, the first point comes, that is plasma membrane. The first point comes what? Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane, or what? Cell membrane. So what is plasma membrane or cell membrane? It is an outer lining of a cell. What? It is an outermost covering or lining, we can say. It is an outermost covering and lining of a cell that separates the contents of the cell from the external environment. That is, the plasma membrane separates the internal materials of cell from the outside environment. It separates the internal materials of cell from the outside environment. It is outer covering of a cell. And the second one, this plasma membrane allows and permits the entry and exit of some materials. This plasma membrane allows also and permits the entry and exit of some materials in and out of the cell. That is, some materials it allows to into the cell, and it permits to out from the cell. So that is why this plasma membrane is called selectively permeable membrane. Plasma membrane is called selectively permeable membrane. Always remember, it's very important. And the second one, the transport of carbon dioxide, the movement, that is not just movement of carbon dioxide and oxygen. How this movement takes place? Movement of carbon dioxide, oxygen takes place. It takes place when the carbon dioxide and oxygen move from high concentration to low concentration. Always remember, from this carbon dioxide and oxygen moves from high concentration to low concentration. Always remember that, from high concentration to low concentration. For example, if some place of inside the cell, the concentration of carbon dioxide is high, and some place of the inside the cell, the concentration of carbon dioxide is low. That means this carbon dioxide is go from the high concentration region to the low concentration region. And always another one is water also obey. Water, the movement of carbon dioxide oxygen finish like that, the water also obeys this type of movement, and this type of movement is called diffusion. This type of movement of carbon dioxide and oxygen, this type of movement is called what? Diffusion. And for water, always remember, water, H2O. For water, we can say that the movement of water molecule the movement of water molecule through such selectively permeable, and all this movement takes place where? All this movement takes place at plasma membrane, through plasma membrane, through selectively permeable membrane. So the movement of water molecule through such a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. The last point, the movement of water molecule the movement of water molecule through selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. Okay, so today's topic about plasma membrane or cell membrane is finished. The questions of page number 61 will be provided through our WhatsApp group. Thank you.